Video 31. Developing and completing the section, Part 3. In this video, I will show you how to develop and complete a 3-3 section of Allplan. First, double-click on the screen, showing the building structure folder tree. Select Drawing Section 3-3. Then create parallel objects for section 3-3. On the display screen, all the parallel objects have been created for the 3-3 section. Next, copy the axis from the plan to the section by clicking twice on the screen, showing the building structure folder tree. Select the ground plan drawing 1. Select all 2D axis objects on the plan. Press Ctrl+C. Then, double-click on the screen, showing the building structure folder tree. Select the 2-2 drawing and press Ctrl+Alt+V on the keyboard. View the operations performed on the display screen. The axis on the ground shows the correct position for the drawing on the section. Because the 3-3 section is vertical, so we rotate the section perpendicular to the picture and easy to show. On the display screen, the entire object has been rotated. Next, draw a line to create a floor for the location of the section. Next, adjust the objects to the position of the cross-section to show. On the display screen, all objects have been adjusted to suit the cross-section. Next, hatch materials for the floor need to show. Dimension the distance on the cross-section. Add text for all areas on the section corresponding to the original plan. On the display has completed cross-section 3-3 for the project. I invite you to watch the next video, which is to create a 2D drained ditch on the section.